If you've been keeping up with what's going on in the housing market the last couple of years, you've likely heard about the growing affordability challenges for buyers. According to the experts, the key factors that determine housing affordability are projected to improve this year. That's great news. Selma Hepp, the deputy chief economist at CoreLogic, says this: with slowly improving affordability and a more optimistic economic outlook than previously believed, the housing market could show resilience in 2023. There are three main measures that determine home affordability. That's home price, mortgage rates, and wages. Let's take a look at each one a little more in depth. First is mortgage rates. Mortgage rates shot up over 7% last year. They have never doubled in a 12-month period before. So many buyers put their plans on hold, but things are beginning to look better as mortgage rates are stabilizing and even decreasing some. George Ratui, the senior economist at Realtor.com, explains this. Let's celebrate some good news. Mortgage rates are down. With inflation showing a tangible slowdown, I do expect mortgage rates to follow suit in the months ahead. Even a small change in rates can affect your purchasing power. Nadia Evangelou, the director of forecasting for the National Association of Realtors, gives us some context. With a 6% rate instead of a 7% rate, buyers pay about $2,700 less every year on the mortgage. As a result, owning a home becomes more affordable to about 1.4 million more renters and 4.3 million more homeowners. So if 7% rates caused you to pause your home purchasing plans last year, it might be the opportunity that you need to jump back in the market right now as mortgage rates are stabilizing and even declining. The second factor affecting home affordability is home prices. Home prices have made the headlines over the last couple of years because they skyrocketed during the pandemic. When discussing home prices for 2023, Lawrence Yun, the chief economist at the National Association of Realtors, says this: after a big boom over the past 2 years, there will essentially be no change nationally. Half of the country may experience small price gains, while the other half may see slight price declines. We're seeing that right here in the Mid-South. Depending on your price point and neighborhood, sellers are getting a premium for their home, and in some cases, buyers are able to actually get home repairs, warranties, all those things that they hadn't been able to get the last couple of years. It just depends on the neighborhood and the price point. That's why it's important to talk to a trusted real estate professional like me to get the best advice to be confident in moving forward or buying a home. Hey, the third factor that affects home affordability is wages. This graph uses data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics to show how wages have increased over time. You can see that since 2000, wages have been on a steady increase, and that growth has gotten stronger over the last several months. When you think about home affordability, you got to think about more than home prices and mortgage rates. You've got to consider wages. And with wages increasing, many buyers have renewed their opportunity to get in the market and buy a home. We're still going to have some affordability hurdles to get over this year. They're not going away. But based on the trends and projections, 2023 should bring some relief to buyers looking to buy a home. Listen to what the chief economist at the Mortgage Bankers Association has to say. Rates are expected to move lower for the year, and home price growth is expected to cool, both of which will help affordability challenges. The bottom line is, if you have questions about buying a home and what you can afford, let's have a conversation. You need a trusted lender, and you need a trusted real estate professional to help guide you through this process to be confident in the home that you purchase. Hi, I'm Jeff Jones of eXp Realty. Visit meetjeffnow.com to schedule a conversation for us to talk about your home buying goals so that you can make a confident decision, or visit readytobuyscore.com to discover how ready you are to buy. Have a blessed day.